Hey there, and welcome to this tutorial for Mickey Mouse Ukulele Melody tutorial for the play-along that I've created off of the short from the Ukulele Melody short of Mickey Mouse. You can check out a link to that short below, as well as a link to this page, which is not the chord chart for the song, but just some simple notes that I've been creating for myself to help me as I teach. Let's take a look at the chords you'll need for this song. First, on GCEA ukulele, I'll be using my Kala thin line travel tenor, the Kala SSTU-T spruce top, laminate back and sides. First chord you need is the C chord. It's the third finger, first string, third fret. The next chord you need is the D minor chord. First finger, second string, first fret, second finger, fourth string, second fret, third finger, third string, second fret. The next chord is the G7 chord. First finger on the second string, first fret, second finger on the third string, second fret, third finger on the first string, second fret. The next chord you need is the C7 chord. First finger on the first string, first fret. The next chord is the F chord. First finger on the second string, first fret, second finger on the fourth string, second fret. The next chord you'll need is the F minor chord. First finger goes on the fourth string, first fret. Second finger goes on the second string, first fret. Actually, first string, fourth finger, third fret for the F minor chord. Yeah, don't try to play that with the third finger. Use the fourth finger on the third fret of the first string. The A7 chord, first finger, third string, first fret. The Hawaiian D7, appropriately named for this video, is first finger on the fourth string, second fret, second finger on the second string, second fret, with gaps otherwise. And then the E7 chord. First finger goes on the fourth string, first fret, second finger on the third string, second fret, and third finger on the first string, second fret. Now let's take a look at the chords you'll need for baritone tuning, DGBE. C chord is the first chord. You'll go to the second string, first fret, and to the fourth string, second fret with your second finger. It's your C chord. Then you'll need your D minor chord. First finger will go first string, first fret. Second finger goes on third string, second fret. Third finger goes on second string, third fret. That's your D minor chord. The next chord is the G7 chord. First finger goes on the first string, first fret. The next chord is the C7 chord. If you remember the C chord, it's pretty easy, but let's do it. Let's start off with the C chord. First finger on the second string, first fret. Second finger on the fourth string, second fret. That's your C chord. Now add the third finger on the third string, third fret, and then add the fourth finger on the first string, third fret. That makes a C7. The next chord you need is kind of a tricky chord on baritone ukulele. It's the F chord. Keep working it. You'll get it. So first finger covers strings 1 and 2 at the first fret. Second finger goes to string 3 at the second fret. Third finger goes to string 4 at the third fret. That's your F chord. Keep practicing until you get a nice clear sound. From the F chord, we go to the F minor chord. You bar all the strings across the top. And then, that's on the first fret. Then, with the third finger, you reach over and play the fourth string, third fret. That's your F minor chord. Then you need another bar chord, the A7 chord. So you'll do is you'll bar all the strings on the second fret, and then with your second or third fingers, you'll play the first string, third fret. Whichever one works better for you. The next chord is the D7 chord. First finger goes on the second string, first fret. Second finger goes on the third string, second fret. And third finger goes on the first string, second fret. That's your D7 chord. And the last chord you need is the E7 chord. First finger goes on the third string, first fret. As it comes to strumming with this song, I'm going to be honest with you, the strumming sometimes follows the melody. It's not worth mapping out everything. The general strum pattern for the song is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, with a shuffle on that. Now, if you find yourself playing in the island strum going, it'll probably work. If you find yourself going down, down, up, down, down, up, you'll probably find that will work. even though there is theoretically a right answer, I'm not even sure that when this was recorded, that whoever is playing ukulele was following a specific, this is a strum that I do here. I think they were just going with their heart, and strumming is what worked for them. So let's try this strum at the tempo about there. And we're going to follow C, D minor, G7, C, C7, F, F minor, and do it in the little sequence. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And basically, there's occasionally that you'll have to follow along with the song with single strums where it happens. You just have to listen to it and figure that out. But I think you can get it. Now, a couple other things I wanted to say is the actual song's name, as listed, is Pua Nanie. And the composer of the song, Christopher Willis, actually posted a link to this song on Twitter right to a Dropbox account. So you can actually see the sheet music, which is in the key of E. This has been brought down to the key of C to make it easier to play, I think, on most ukuleles. The other thing I just want to add is I did make a little, guide that I use when I'm teaching. If you'd like a copy of this, there will be a link in the description to a link where you can find this file if you'd like to play the song. I love this song. I think it's fantastic. I love the fact that Mickey is playing a guitar and Minnie is playing a ukulele. Check it out. If you haven't, again, watched the full video of the short, please do so. That's linked below. And it's kind of a fun song. So thanks for watching the video, and we'll catch you next time.